جيم جزر. Hi, welcome to Yuhuhu channel. My name is Cookie, and in these videos I'm gonna show you how to do arts and crafts with the Arabic letters. Let's start. To make paper carrot we need scissors, a pencil, this template, a brush, and paint. First, we're gonna paint this circle orange, or any other color you want. It's okay if you paint outside the lines, we're gonna cut it anyway. Next, we're gonna paint this part green. Next, we're gonna use the scissors to cut the orange circle and the green part of the carrot. Also, don't forget to cut this dotted line, and I will tell you why later. So now we're gonna roll this orange part into a cone to make the lower part of the carrot. Try to roll it as tight as you can. Now let's glue it together. And roll the green part so we can attach it to the other part and make a carrot. There you go, we made a carrot! Ta-da! If you like the video, don't forget to follow us.